Let's learn conjunctions. I wanted to play, but it started raining. But joins two opposite ideas, wanting to play versus the rain. The puppy barked and wagged its tail. And connects two similar actions happening together. You can have pizza or pasta for lunch, or shows a choice between two options. I stayed home because I caught a cold. Because gives the reason for an action. Although he was tired, he finished his painting. Although shows contrast, it is used at the beginning of the sentence. Stay in the park until the sun sets. Until shows time. Something continues up to a moment. You won't win unless you practice every day. Unless means if not, sets a condition. She listened to music while doing her homework. While shows two actions happening at the same time. I like Sarah because she's funny and kind. Because and kind. Multiple conjunctions can also be used in one sentence. He forgot his umbrella, so he got soaked in the rain. So shows a result or a consequence. Since it was a holiday, we went hiking in the hills. Since shows a reason or cause.